Welcome back friends to my Easy Matrix video. First, I want to thank you each and every one who has given huge response to my Easy Matrix videos and subscribed my Fun and Learn channel. So, let's start today's magical world of maths.
In today's video, we will see how to find square of a number close to 50 when the number is below 50. So let's start. Here we have to keep one thing in our mind, that this type of problem will have the answer in 4 digit only. Let's start with our first problem. We have to find square of 48. Here 48 is less than 50 by 2. Therefore, we will deduct 2 from this to get 48 minus 2 is equal to 46. Now we have to divide this number by 2. So when we divide 46 by 2, we'll get 23, which will make our left side of the answer. And 2 into 2 is equal to 4, which will make our right side of the answer. So square root of 48 means 48 into 48 is equal to 2304. Now we have to find 41 into 41. As we can see, 41 is 9 less than 50. So when we deduct 9 from 41, we will get 32. And 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16, which will make our left side of the answer. And 9 into 9 is equal to 81, which will our right side of the answer. So 41 square is equal to 1681. Let's try one more problem. 39 into 39. As we can see, 39 is 11 less than 50. So when we subtract 11 from 39, we'll get 28. And when we divide 28 by 2, we'll get 14, which will make our left side of the answer. And 11 into 11 is equal to 121, which makes our right side of the answer. But as I told you earlier, answer has to be in 4 digit only. So we will add 14 blank blank plus 0121. So it will be 1521. So answer for 39 into 39 will be 1521. Can you try a problem? Can you find square of 38? How you will proceed? First, you will see that 38 is 12 less than 50. So we will subtract 38 minus 12. So we'll get 26. Next step will be, we have to divide 26 by 2. So we will get 13, and which will be left side of the answer. And 12 into 12 is equal to 144, which will make our right side of the answer. But answer has to be in 4 digit only. So we will add 1 3 blank blank with 0144. So we will get 1444, and which will be our answer for 38 into 38. I hope friends, you will able to calculate more square of a number by yourself. In our next video, we will find square of a number close to 50 when the number is above 50. Till that time, don't forget to share our video with your friends and family members. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel Fun and Learn. Thank you.